Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny if you're new, and today I am so excited to share with you my fall home tour. Now this will be a mini home tour. I'm going to be showing you the main living areas of my home that I've decorated for fall. And fall is my favorite time of year, so this is such a special time for me, and I'm just so excited to share that with you here on this video. And if you are new here today and you're clicking on this video for the first time, thank you so much. It's so great to meet you. Again, my name is Jenny, and I love to do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, decorating, all things home on my channel. My mission is to help you create a clean and calm space for yourself and your family. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you're subscribed before you leave this video so that I can see you again on the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the fall home tour. So when you first step into our home, you're just gonna see a really long, narrow hallway in front of you. Here to the left is our entryway, and we just have a mirror here from the at-home store, and then I have a vase with cotton blossoms from my husband for our anniversary one year. The vase is from Hobby Lobby, and this table is from Target from about 16 years ago. So my entryway is definitely in need of an update, but this is just a sweet little picture of the three of our children, Noelle, Nathan, and Alex, back from when Alex was first born, and the little tray is from Walmart. If you have any questions about anything in my home, please leave them in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer if I left anything out. I will link my Amazon storefront in my description box, as well as any other links that I was able to find. And as you turn to the left here, you're going to be stepping into my family room. This tripod lamp on the left is from Lowe's, and then our sofa is from American Factory Direct Furniture. I have these pillows on the sofa. The one in the middle is from TJ Maxx, along with this Fall Sweet Fall pillow is from Kirkland's, and the throw is from Kirkland's as well. So that's all part of my fall decor. And then over here, this coffee table and the TV stand, I'll go ahead and link those because I purchased them on Amazon. This little woven basket tray is from Target, and the Harvest candle as well from the Magnolia line is from Target. It smells so good. It smells like pumpkin pie in the oven. I have that sitting on top of our family Bible. These coasters are from Amazon. The plant is from Kirkland's, and the little copper tray with the pine cones is from Hobby Lobby. And over here, this large clock is from the at-home store. The garland is from Hobby Lobby from about 15 years ago. They may still have it or something similar. And the little pumpkin picks that I stuck in there are also from Hobby Lobby. And this is a little corner that I want to set up for reading, and I'm just trying to find the right chair. Right here I have a lamp from Walmart, the little plant is from TJ Maxx, and the candle is Sweater Weather from Bath & Body Works. Sign is from Hobby Lobby, and the little book stand is from Pier 1 from a few years ago, and I love it because I can just store all my books in a really cute way. And over here to the right, you can see I have my bookcase. Right now I have them in rainbow order, which was just, I must have been bored one day to do that. But what I'd really like to do is paint all of the furniture in this room like maybe an antique white, just to kind of brighten the room up a bit, and then put some books and decor on these shelves and kind of change it up a bit. So this is our family room right here. This is our stroller, probably the most exciting part of the room, I know, but it is a practical thing to have. So that's where the stroller goes, and here's a nice little view of the whole room. The area rug is from Amazon, so that'll be linked on my storefront. And as we head down the hall here, we're gonna look to the right, and that's our home alarm system. We use Vivint, and we're really happy with that because we can check everything from our phones. And then over here to the left, we have our thermostat. And then over here to the left, we can enter into the kitchen. Here on the left, I have this little tier tray that I've got all set up for fall. The tray is from TJ Maxx, and then up here, this little striped bowl is from the Target Dollar Spot. The wooden spoons are from Hobby Lobby, as well as the little pitcher. And then these gray pumpkins that you see are from TJ Maxx. The white pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby, as well as the lamb's ear and the pine cones. And then these little houses are from the Target Dollar Spot. One little tip, if you're styling a tiered tray and you want to use a little filler, sometimes it's cheaper just to get a garland and then trim it up into sprigs. And that's what I like to do with the lamb's ear. It's actually in the wedding section, and I like to just trim it into little sprigs that I can kind of put in my tiered tray just to fill it out and make it look complete. And as we look to the right, we see just a plain white bowl, and this is our blessing bowl. So as a family, we just love to write down our blessings, and it's just a really good way to remember all the things God has done for us and how far He's brought us as a family. We like to pull them out and read them before we store them away so that we can all enjoy them. And then over here, we have some very exciting sweet potatoes and onions and avocados. So that's where I keep those. And then moving again to the right, I do have some more fall decor. This wooden cutting board is from Bed Bath & Beyond. The little terracotta plant is from TJ Maxx. The pitcher is from TJ Maxx, and the wooden spoons are from Walmart. And the little sign that says "Autumn leaves and pumpkins, please" is from Hobby Lobby. I just wanted to quickly show you our under the cabinet lighting. These are LED pucks that just stick on. They're from Lowe's. We really like these, but the batteries don't last very long, so we invested in rechargeable batteries, and that works really well. So something to think about if you have these lights. And here's just a quick view of my cabinets. I did paint them white in the spring recently, and I changed all the hardware. So if you're looking for a video on that, I will definitely link it in my description box. I have a full tutorial on how to paint your kitchen cabinets white. It's not just a motivational video, it is a tutorial. And here on the pantry door, I just have this wreath from Hobby Lobby, and I pretty much keep it up year round because it kind of goes with everything. And then over here, just to keep it very simple, I have a couple of my favorite cookbooks and a canister with my husband's tea that I make for work every morning. And then here in the middle, I just have a little cake stand from Target, as well as a salt and pepper shaker from Walmart with the little copper tops. I think these are so cute. The plant is from Target as well. The gray pumpkins are from TJ Maxx, and the little salt cellar is from Walmart. And then continuing on to the right is just another identical white bowl to the blessing bowl, but this one has fruit. I only have 3 poor lonely apples right here, so it's definitely getting close to grocery day. And as you look up, you'll see a cabinet that used to have a frosted glass over it, and it was pretty outdated. So when I repainted my kitchen, I decided to leave the door off and have an accent cabinet. These pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby from about 15 years ago. I still have things from that haul. The lamb's ear, I just went ahead and kind of wound it up one of the pumpkins, and that is from Hobby Lobby. I have the 2 Magnolia Table cookbooks and a little pitcher from the Target dollar spot. And then as you look more to the right, you will get to my kitchen sink and window. Here I have a cutting board hanging with some pot holders from TJ Maxx. The cutting board is from Hobby Lobby, and this is, believe it or not, a command hook from Amazon, and it's just matte black, but it is just a command hook. So I didn't want to drill into my cabinets, but this is a nice damage-free way to hang some decor. Here I have this picture from Target, and the florals are from Hobby Lobby, as well as the gray sign. Above my sink, I have this wreath from TJ Maxx. For $16, I thought this was such a pretty wreath. And this is also just hanging on a command hook, but it's just the prettiest shade of orange. It's very pale, and it looks so pretty with those Hobby Lobby florals. Above it, I have the homemade sign from Hobby Lobby, and my over the sink light is from Lowe's. Here I just have my kitchen towel. I kind of knot it onto one of those same matte black command hooks. And I know the lighting's poor right here, but I got this little cake stand from TJ Maxx. It's like a mint green color, it's super pretty. And the candle is from Bath & Body Works. The smaller tiered tray is from Hobby Lobby, and the little green pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby as well. As you can see, I have my Mrs. Meyer's fall scents out, as well as my Keurig machine, which I will have linked in my Amazon storefront. Stepping through my kitchen, we'll go ahead and make our way into the dining room. Now there's a big blank space in my dining room. This is where my son plays. He's not even 2 yet, and so we have this big play area for him. And the only way that we make that work is by putting up a couple of baby gates to block the hall and the kitchen. So I'm going to show you those baby gates real quick. They are built-in black baby gates and they work so well. And I know they're not the prettiest things in the world, but they're not the ugliest either. So I really like these. These will be in my Amazon storefront as well. So let's head over here to the fireplace. I have this glass vase from Hobby Lobby with florals from Hobby Lobby as well. Then I have like 50,000 pumpkins, all from Hobby Lobby, and a couple of candlesticks from Hobby Lobby as well. And that striped book is from Hobby Lobby as well. So somebody likes Hobby Lobby. This comfy, cozy together picture was the perfect focal point for my fireplace this year, and it was only $19.99 on clearance at Hobby Lobby, you guessed it. So I love how that all turned out. And as you go down to the hearth, I have the apple bushel barrel that was from Hobby Lobby this year for only $2, which I thought was a steal. And then I have a pillow inside from TJ Maxx and a pumpkin pick from Hobby Lobby. Down here, you're gonna see another little woven basket from TJ Maxx, and this is some more blessings. Once that we finish a bowl, we put them together into like a little chain, and then we put them on our family Christmas tree. So this is kind of where we store them until Christmas. And then I have this white lantern over here. I meant to put a candle in it, but it looks like I forgot. So that's the fireplace area. And that white lantern is from Kirkland's. Here to the right, you'll see our server, and above it, I have a mirror from the Magnolia line at Target, and I really like it. It's a nice light wood tone. And then we have these lamps from Target as well. And this piece, we really just store like glasses and alcohol and coffee cups and servingware and different things like that for like when we have company. And then on top, I just have this cute little cake stand from TJ Maxx. I thought the light wood tone went really well with the mirror. And then this little candle wreath is from Hobby Lobby, and the candle inside is from Hobby Lobby as well, and it's a cinnamon candle. So I try to keep this space really simple decor wise so it doesn't compete with the fireplace. I like for the fireplace to be the focal point. Moving to the left, you'll see a big boring window with blinds on it. So I will be putting window treatments up in the house at some point, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, it's just a big box. And then here's our clock from the at-home store. And I have this little cubby. This is where we keep Alex's toys. The baskets are from the at-home store as well. This cubby was bought from a furniture store probably 15 years ago, so I really don't remember where. But all of our dining room furniture has been chalk painted, the slate gray color, and I do have a tutorial on that as well that I can link in my description box in case any of you are about to paint furniture. But here we have some Roman shades. These are very inexpensive Roman shades that are kind of a placekeeper until we decide to upgrade them, but they work fine. I really have no complaints about them. It's just that they're a very thin material, and so I think like both of them together were maybe $25. So they really are a great affordable option. So that'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. And then moving here to the left, I have a couple of shelves that I picked up on Amazon, and I have them on either side of our buffet table. And I just put a little plant from Target, and you can see the lantern was from Kirkland's. I have a family picture. The striped pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby, as well as that gray ramekin. And then this bin is from Target, and the pillow is from TJ Maxx. And moving over here to the sideboard, I have this picture from Hobby Lobby as well as 2 more lamps from Target. This room doesn't get a lot of light, so all 4 lamps are really kind of a must if I want to have good lighting in here. And then this little picture was from Walmart. The florals are from Hobby Lobby. The Harbor candle is from TJ Maxx, as well as the cake stand. And then all of the little pumpkins and pine cones on this little cake stand are from Hobby Lobby. beach tray here is from Hobby Lobby as well. Somebody in the comments needs to let me know how many times I've actually said Hobby Lobby in this video. Also, let me know if you like to shop there too. And then over here, the decor is pretty much identical, except I picked a different color cake stand. This one is in the sage green with the white pumpkin. Those are both from Hobby Lobby. And another family picture, but everything else is pretty much the same. And as you look down, you're going to see an ivory accent chair. That is from the At Home store. The Thankful pillow is from Kirkland's. And I have a basket over here that is from TJ Maxx, as well as that cute little quilted ruffled throw. That was from TJ Maxx too. And it's the most comfortable throw I have ever felt. And this pillow inside is from Kirkland's, and the pumpkin stem is from Hobby Lobby. And this made for a cozy little corner. So here's a little view of my dining table, and above it, this light fixture is from Home Depot, and I have the identical one over here, as well as two in the hallway. And then back to my dining table, this is why we chalk painted our furniture. We had a furniture polish spill, and so I repainted everything with the chalk paint, as well as reupholstered the chairs. And that was a very easy project. So if you just want to update your dining room, reupholstering the chairs could not be any easier. And I got this fabric from Hobby Lobby. And the paint will be linked in my Amazon storefront because I did pick it up from Amazon. It's the Rust-Oleum chalked paint in the slate gray color. I wanted to keep my centerpiece very simple and family friendly, so I just have my year-round runner, which is from Amazon. I love this runner, it's so cute. And then I have pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. The white vase is from Target, and the florals are from Hobby Lobby. And then I can just pick this up really quickly when we need to sit down and eat dinner, or if we have guests and would like to see their faces. So it's very family friendly. And I love this runner because it's got this cute little scalloped edge. Now you've seen all of my fall decorations, and I'm so grateful that you came over to my house today to visit, and you are always welcome here. So thank you for visiting with me today, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront and the links in my description box, and make sure you're subscribed so that I can see you again on a future video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.